want to play store. Hi, Jane.
Hi, Kathy.
Do you want to play store with me?
Yes, let's play store.
Okay. Look. I want to go first. I'm first.
And I'm second.
Okay, I get to go first. I'm putting on my necklace.
And I get to go shopping. Here's the basket. Hi, Kathy.
Hi, Jane. What do you have?
I have 3 blocks and 1 peg.
Ooh, I need $2, please.
Here's my money.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome, Kathy.
You can put them in your basket and buy something else if you want.
Okay.
Oh, listen. The timer is going off. My turn is all done. My turn is done.
So I'm next. I'm next.
There you go.
I'm putting on the necklace, and now it's my turn.
And I get to go shopping.